Hello everyone, I am Ngurah Bayu Arthana. You can call me Arya, and my student ID number is 1913011025 from class 3A Mathematics Education. Okay, this is a clock, and this is a tire. This is a moon, and this is a ball. Do you guys know the similarities between these things? Yeah, these things are circular. In daily life, we often find objects in the form of circles. How to apply the area and circumference of circle on the story? Where the story we take from daily life? Well, in this video, we will learn about circle. So don't skip and enjoy the video. What is a circle? A circle is a set of all points in a flat plane that are the same distance from a fixed point in the field. The fixed point in the circle is called the center of the circle, while the distance from a point in the circle to the center point is called the radius of the circle. A circle can also be said to be a curved line that meets both ends. Okay, all points are just as far away from a central point. Then, what are the elements of the circle? Let's find out. In addition, there are elements of the circle: the circle center point, the radius of the circle diameter, circle chord, sector of circle, segment circle, apothegm, arc of circle, center corner of the circle, and the perimeter angle. Do you know the meaning of those elements? If you don't know it, I will explain the meaning of each of those elements. Okay? The first, it's called center point. Center point is a point inside the circle. All points on the circle are equidistant or same distance from the center point. And this is the radius. The radius is the distance from the center point to the edge of the circle. And this is the diameter. The diameter is a straight line that goes across the circle and through the center point. The diameter is twice the length of the radius. Next, it is a chord. Chord is a line segment linking any 2 points on the circle. The diameter is the special type of chord that goes through the center point of the circle. And this is a sector of a circle. A sector of a circle is a region A sector of a circle is a region bounded by 2 radius and an arc of the circle. And this is the circular segment. The circular segment is a region of 2-dimensional space that is bounded by an arc of less than 180 degrees of a circle and by the chord connecting the end point of the arc. And this This is apotheme. The apotheme is the perpendicular distance reduced from the midpoint of a chord to the circle center. And the next is arc. Arc is a curved line that is part of the circumference of a circle. And this is a center corner of the circle. The corners are bounded by two radius of the circle whose vertex is the center of the circle. And last, this is the perimeter angle. The area of the angle bounded by two chords that intersects at one point on the circle and its vertex lies at the circumference of the circle. Well, because we have understood the elements of the circle, now let's learn about the circumference and area of the circle.
First, we will learn about the circumference of a circle. Circumference is the distance around the circle. The formula of the circumference of a circle is P multiplied by diameter. Because diameter equals to 2 multiplied by radius, so the formula can be changed to 2 multiplied by P multiplied by radius. And then we will learn about the circle area. Area of the circle is the area of the region enclosed by the circle. The formula of the circle area is P multiplied by radius squared. Well, let's get into practice. Now, I have one exercise to practice. A car tire has a radius length of 30 cm. When the car was running, the car's tires spin 100 times. Determine the diameter of the car tire, the circumference of the car tire, and the distance traveled by the car. First, we look for the diameter of the car tire. Because it is known that the radius is 30 cm and the diameter is 2 multiplied by radius, so 2 multiplied by 30 is equals to 60 cm. So the diameter of the car tire is 60 cm. Next, we look for the circumference of the car tire. Formula for finding the circumference of the car tire, that is P multiplied by diameter. P is worth 3.14. 3.14 multiplied by 60. Therefore, the circumference of the car tire is 188.4 cm. And last, we look for the distance traveled by the car. The distance traveled when the car tire rotates 100 times is distance equals to circumference multiplied by many rotates. So distance is equals to 188.4 multiplied by 100. Therefore, distance is equals to 18,840. So the distance traveled when the car tire rotates 100 times is 18,840 centimeter or 188.4 meters.
Okay, I think that's enough for this video. Hopefully this video is useful for you guys, and I'm sorry if my English is so bad, but I will continue to practice my English until I'm proficient in English. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye bye.